Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super straightforward: how to sign up for Apple Music. If you're tired of the same old playlists and want access to millions of songs, exclusive content, and personalized recommendations, this is your guide. Apple Music is one of the top streaming services out there, and getting started is easier than you think. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need an Apple ID. If you don't have one, don't worry, it's free and quick to set up. Head over to the Apple website or open the Apple Music app on your iPhone, iPad, or even your Android device. Once you're there, look for the Sign In button at the top right corner. If you're new, click on Create New Apple ID and follow the prompts. You'll need to enter your email, create a password, and verify your details. Next, after signing in, you'll be prompted to choose your subscription plan. Apple Music offers options like the individual plan for $10.99 a month, family for up to 6 people at $16.99, or student for just $5.99 if you're enrolled. Pick the one that fits your needs, maybe start with individual if you're trying it out solo. Now, for the payment part, you'll need to add a payment method. This could be a credit card, debit card, or even PayPal. Just enter the details securely and double-check everything to avoid any issues. Apple takes security seriously, so your info is safe. Once that's done, hit subscribe or start trial if you're eligible for the 3-month free trial. Yes, you heard that right, free music for your first few months. You'll be all set to explore, create playlists, and enjoy ad-free listening. One quick tip: make sure to check for any promotions or student discounts to save some cash. And if you ever want to cancel, it's just as easy through your account settings. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.